Good morning, my dear students. In today's session, I'll be discussing about the capacitance. Let us consider a parallel plate capacitor. Let me call this A, B, C, D. These are the two plates which are parallel to each other. Now we are going to calculate the capacitance between these parallel plates. So it is given by, the capacitance is given by epsilon naught epsilon R into A divided by D. This is the important equation, where capacitance, C stands for capacitance. E naught, this is that is dielectric constant. You can call it dielectric constant of free space or the permittivity. So dielectric constant of free space or vacuum, and epsilon R, this is relative permittivity. Of the medium, dielectric medium, or it can also be called dielectric constant of the medium. Of the given medium. A, this is the area of the plate. A, area of the plate, right? D is the distance between the parallel plate. D is equal to distance between parallel plates. Now usually the problem which can be asked based on this capacitance can be, either they may ask what is the capacitance by giving the parameters A, epsilon or epsilon naught and D. Otherwise sometimes they can find, you are asked to find out the ratio also. So otherwise one capacitance will be given for a particular distance, and the distance can be adjusted, and based on the either half the distance or double the distance, like that. And here what is the new capacitance? So this is the way they can ask. And the area is constant here because these parallel plates, they have equal area. So let us consider two cases, C1 and C2. C1 is equal to, that is, which are all the constant here? Epsilon naught is constant, and epsilon R, if it is a given medium, the same medium, that is also constant. In that case, capacitance is proportional to A by D, right? And now the area is also constant. So in that case, you can remove that one also. Therefore, C1 is proportional to 1 by D1. It means, that is, capacitance is inversely proportional to the distance between the plates. If it is halved, means what? That is C2, let me say D2. D2 has become D1 by D2. So in that case, we can have a ratio, and what is the new capacitance? So C2 by C1 is equal to, you can call it 1 by D2 divided by 1 by D1. So it means that is D1 by D2. Okay, D1 by D2. Right? So this is the easiest way to calculate the new capacitance. Therefore, C2 is equal to C1 into D1 by D2. Now you can suitably replace. For instance, if the distance between the parallel plates is reduced to half of the original distance, then you can put D2 is equal to D1 by D2. Okay, so that it becomes what, that is D1 can be cancelled and you can bring up the 2 here. For instance, D2 is reduced to D1 by D2. So what is the formula here? This is 1 by D2, so D1 by D2. Okay, therefore C2 is equal to C1 into D1 divided by D1 by 2. It means you have to multiply by 2. So D1 can be cancelled. Therefore C2 is equal to twice the C1. So this is the way you can easily arrive at the new capacitance by reducing the distance between the parallel plates to half the distance of the original one. Right?